Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's Anthony here, and in today's video we're going to be trying out Return to Home on the Mavic Mini. The question is, how well does it actually work? Before we get started, I want to give a quick shout out to TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a YouTube SEO tool that helps you grow your channel using tags, titles, thumbnails. It's an amazing tool and it's what I've been using to grow this YouTube channel. So definitely check out my link in the description below. And by clicking on it, you'll learn more information and even get a free trial. If you guys have any questions, leave me a comment in the comment section below, but let's get into the actual topic of the video. So guys, in today's video, we're going to be doing a return to home demo with the Mavic Mini. Now, the reason why I'm trying this out is because this drone has less sensors than my Mavic 2 and popular drones like the Mavic Air 2. So how well does return to home work with the drone that has less sensors? And the drone uses a Wi-Fi connection compared to other DJI drones that use OcuSync. So let's see how accurate return to home is. I've got my iPhone 11 Pro and the Mavic Mini remote, and I've got the Mavic Mini placed on the ground. So what I've done is, just like my last return to home demo, I've placed a quarter directly under where the Mavic Mini is going to be taking off from and where I've set the home point from, and then I'm going to fly up and far away, not too far away because this is a Mavic Mini and I don't want to push it that much. I don't want to lose the drone. And then once we get out there, we're going to hit the return to home button on the remote, and we're going to see if it comes back and if it also lands close to where it took off from. Now, I'm not 100% sure as of the recording of this video if the Mavic Mini has precision landing. I probably should have looked that up before I made the video, but we're about to find out anyway. So I'm gonna start recording on the phone here. So now we're recording on the phone. I'm also gonna record on the drone just in case. So I just hit the record button there, and we are gonna take off. There it is behind me. All right, so now we're taking off. I'm going to turn the camera toward the canal here, and I'm going to fly up to like 200 feet. I am getting a little bit of a weird signal, so let's fly toward the canal. So I've got a really bad signal right now. Oh, try fixing the antennas here. Okay, so I've got a really bad signal and I'm only at 87 feet. It's going in and out. So I'm just gonna hit the return to home button right now. I was planning on going further, but for some reason, as you guys can see, I've got a horrible signal. Even though my GPS signal looks pretty good. I don't know what that's about, but we're gonna hit return to home. So I see it, but it's like being really weird. And I've got no video feed right now on the screen. You can't see anything. Okay, there it goes, came back. I'm gonna point the camera down. Look how bad that connection is. This is a really big problem with the Mavic Mini. So the new Mavic Mini has to have a way better connection than this. So I see it coming down. I didn't see any message about precision landing. There it is. There it is right there. So, okay guys, so it just landed. So as you guys can see, it landed about 2 to 3 feet away from the quarter, and it had a very bad connection. I was actually gonna do another video about the Mavic Mini, but that connection was so bad that I might not even do that video and figure out what went wrong, because the connection was so bad. And that has been a problem with this drone. Is it's a drone that you really can only fly around you. You can't take off and fly away with it. Like, I was only at 70 feet, maybe 80 feet, and I had a horrible connection. I can't even believe that. So that Wi-Fi connection that this drone has is honestly ridiculous, and DJI really needs to do AccuSync on the new Mavic Mini. But the good news is, even though I lost a video connection and the drone kind of had a delayed reaction to me hitting the return to home button, it did come back and it did land relatively close to where it took off. So it's not a total failure, but it's not a total winner either. And I do think that the Mavic Mini needs work. Luckily, the Mavic Mini 2 is on its way with an expected release date of mid-November. So hopefully with the new version of the Mavic Mini, we're gonna see improved connection, improved return to home, AccuSync 2.0, among other upgrades like 4K video. So yeah guys, this is a really short video. I just wanted to show you guys return to home on the Mavic Mini and that it does work, it just needs work. Let's just put it that way. If you liked what you saw today, definitely hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you're updated when I create new videos. And also please make sure to hit the thumbs up button so that this video ranks higher in the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.